You're my only.
You guys lost to Detroit on Tuesday.
No, we understand. We're bad.
Oh, really?
You're my only. Oh, wait.
No.
Get it?
Yes.
I love you, Bubba.
All right, anyone that's single and over 26? Not really like this. Really not. Like a lot of history.
Alright, ready? Who does it, Bubba? Come on.
Bubba, do you like George Bush?
Do I look like a George Bush?
I don't know.
I bleed blue blood. That guy's the devil reincarnated. That's a politician. No. I used to be go, America, all the way. Are you recording?
He's going to take a shot. Look on YouTube tonight, all right?
Yes. So I'm not exactly
Oh,
at
you're going to be on
liberty.
YouTube today, Bubba. You're going to be on.
YouTube tonight, all right?
All right. What am I talking about?
Bubba on the train. That's what it's going to be called.
Bob on the train, random guy. Red sauce, rule! I love everybody from Boston. That's my platform. Except for that dickhead behind you. Detroit? I'm not a big Detroit fan!